Want to drastically improve your conversion rates? CrankWheel offers a streamlined, fast solution that can make a huge difference in how you engage with potential customers. Stick around until the end of this video, and I'll not only show you how CrankWheel works, but also share a few alternatives that might serve your business even better. You'll be surprised by what I've found. First, let's talk about why CrankWheel is such a great tool for improving conversion rates. Essentially, it allows you to share your screen with prospects instantly, without requiring them to download any software. This is a big deal because it cuts out the friction that often comes with complicated processes. When you can instantly show customers what you're offering, they're far more likely to make a purchasing decision right then and there. Next thing, CrankWheel works directly in your browser. No installation needed, no complex setups. The ease of access means that you can get started quickly, which is essential when you're trying to close deals in real time. It's also a great tool for remote sales teams who want to present products without worrying about technical barriers. The fourth thing to consider is its simplicity. The interface is clean, with no clutter or unnecessary distractions. This means you can focus entirely on your presentation and your potential customer, which is exactly what you want when aiming to convert a lead into a sale. But here's the catch. CrankWheel isn't perfect. While it's great for quick demos and simple interactions, it lacks some advanced features that more comprehensive platforms offer. For example, it doesn't have integrated CRM features or advanced analytics to help you track your leads' behavior and refine your sales approach. So, if you're looking for a one-stop shop solution with deeper insights into your customers, you might feel limited with CrankWheel. Now, let's talk about alternatives. If you're serious about improving conversion rates, you should also check out tools like Zoom or Google Meet. They offer more robust features like recording, larger meeting capacities, and integrations with CRMs, making them more powerful in certain situations. However, they still require customers to download software, and there can be some setup involved, which is the opposite of CrankWheel's simplicity. One of the best things about CrankWheel is that it gives you a great starting point for conversion. But as you grow, you might find that platforms like Zoom and others are better suited for scalability and lead nurturing. And while those tools have their own advantages, they don't deliver that same immediate, frictionless experience that CrankWheel does right off the bat. So, what do you do now? If you want to take advantage of CrankWheel's ease of use, I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an extended free trial, so you can test it out yourself and see if it's the right fit for your business. But if you're looking for something that provides more advanced features, I've included some amazing alternatives, also with free trials, that might better suit your goals. Click the link now to grab the best deal and exclusive benefits for our viewers. Thanks for watching.